these 4 parts here that you need to get out will make up the part that will allow it to exit at the very end. Now, when you get these out, you want to orient them like I am showing right here, okay, so that the incline goes down and points off to the left. Very important, okay? So we're going to glue these up similarly to the others. So we're going to need 2 1/2-inch dowels, and one of them is going to go here, and the other is going to go here. And I will also mention these parts are thinner, right? They're physically thin, and so we got to be very careful when we're applying pressure when we're pushing them down, because we don't want them to bend and crack. Okay, so we're going to be really kind of conscious of that. Make sure these dowels are pushed in and down all the way. They are. Okay. And then we're going to use less glue than we did last time. We're just going to put a little on the dowel, and put a little here, and yet just a tiny smear right through there. Okay. And then here I'm going to hang on to it right where this hole is, and same here. I want to kind of push this down gently. So once I kind of feel I got this one started, then I can work on getting this one in. And we're just going to evenly push down on them both so it goes down straight. Okay, and they're all together. Okay, next part, same thing. A little here, a little there, a little smeared. Again, careful of your hold. I'm pinching and pushing right here. We want these to go down so that they make a nice sandwich. And then the last one. Well, hanging on right here. Okay, then pushing. There we go. Now that that part's all set up, get your wet rag, wipe it up. And again, these parts, I felt like they really pushed together tightly. I don't think I'm going to even bother using glue because they're that snug. So they're sandwiched together very nice. Okay, all right.